Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to share how I copied a faceless YouTube channel that makes over $24,000 a month and it actually worked. I will break down the type of content they create, how they structure their videos, and how they make money without showing their face or using their voice. I will share the steps I took to replicate their success, including the tools I used, how I planned my videos, and the results I got. If you are looking for a proven way to start a faceless YouTube channel and make money, you are going to love this one, and let's get started. I already have a lot of faceless YouTube channel that I'm running, and this is one of my faceless YouTube channel. And as you can see over here, in the last 90 days, this channel made 41,086 and $24. Okay, I will re-upload the page for people who asking always re-upload your page. Of course, let's re-upload the page. I'm not sharing with you screenshots. I'm sharing with you my faceless YouTube channel here, as you can see, and of course the results will be the same result. And here you go, the results are still the same result. This channel is making me so much money every single day, and this is just one of my faceless YouTube channel. You guys can make so much money from YouTube. Like, YouTube can change your life. I will show you an easy niche that I copied and it actually worked, and I'm gonna share with you the results by the end of this video. So let's get started. And you see this channel here, it's making just in one single day $968 just in one single day, and some days can be it's closed some days $1,207 just in one single day. So you see how much you can make from YouTube. Okay, anyway, so the faceless YouTube channel that I copied, guys, it's about this niche. It's about self-development and finance and personal finance. Okay, it's this channel, alux.com. This channel has 4 million subscribers, you can see here, and this channel is monetized, as you can see. And if you want to know how much this channel is making, let me show you. If we go back to this account view stage, you guys can see that this channel estimated revenue up to $24,000, and I'm sure this channel is making more. This channel got 3.3 million views in the last month, in the last 28 days, okay, and made up to $24,000. Do you see how much this channel is making? YouTube can change your life. People are making crazy money from those videos, and they are simple and easy to make, like this one. You see this one? If we scroll down, you see those videos, they are super easy to make, like this one. 15 rules self-made millionaire swear by. You see this one? This one is super easy to make. Let me show you the video. This is the video. 15 rules self-made millionaires swear by. Okay, let's check the video.
Success leaves clues. The rules self-made millionaires live by aren't just random tips. No, they're the blueprint for building.
You see this? Those videos are super easy to make. You don't need to show your face and you don't need to use your voice. Okay, so I will make like this video. For example, let's talk this topic. Okay, 15 rules self-made millionaires swear by. I'm gonna copy the title of this one. So what I need script. Okay, so how we can create a good and engaging script? Just go to Google and search for ChatGPT. Okay, search for this website, ChatGPT AI. This will be your homepage and it's for free to use. And just click here on message and ask him create an engaging YouTube script. Okay, an engaging YouTube script about, and they will put this title like this. Okay, let's choose just 5 rules self-made millionaires swear by. I'm gonna choose just this. I don't want to make the video too much long for you guys. I want to give you the idea, then you can go and make long videos. Okay, and I will just click here. Okay, just click here and ChatGPT will create an amazing YouTube and engaging YouTube script for you that you can use. You see this? And here you go. This is rule number 1, and we'll give you a rule number 2, rule number 3, and number 4, and so on. So what you will do next is you need to turn this script into voiceover. Okay, so here is what you will do. Okay, let me show you. Let's start from the rule number 1. Rule number one, create multiple income stream. Self-made millionaires know that relying on just one source of income is risky. This one is good. So I will copy this, copy your script from ChatGPT like this. I'm gonna copy, okay, let's copy this part like this. And what I will do next, I need to turn this script into voiceover. So what you will do, you will use this website. Go to Google and search for 11 Labs, okay? Search for this website, click on the first link, sign up using your email address, and it's for free. They will give you a free trial that you can try. And then this, after you finish your sign up process, this will be your home page. You just need to click here, okay? This will be your home page. Click on text to speech and put your script here. I already put my script here, you guys can see. Okay, rule number one, create multiple income streams, self-made millionaire, and put your script here. And you, if you want to choose which, if you scroll down, you have a lot of voiceovers that you can use. We have this one, area, you see this?
There is no greater harm than that of time wasted.
You see, you have a lot of voiceovers. You can scroll down and choose which voiceover you want to use. Okay, so for example, for me, I'm gonna use, I will just keep using this one that I already have, this one, area. Okay, and what you will do next after you choose your voiceover, just click here on generate speech, and your voiceover, sorry, your script will be recorded. I already recorded this one. And after that, to download this voiceover, you should see here download. Okay, over here, if you click on download, this voiceover will be downloading to your laptop. What you will do next, pay close attention, go and open Canva. Okay, go to Google and search for Canva like this. It's for free and it's so easy and simple to use. You just need to to use your email address to sign up, and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page. Click over here on video and click on YouTube video, and you will be directly in this page. What you will do next, you will click here on upload, click on upload file, and upload your voiceover. Okay, so let me find my voiceover. I will go to download. This is my voiceover.
Rule number one, create multiple income streams.
This is my voiceover. I will click on open, and your voiceover will be uploaded to Canva. What you will do next, you will click here on add page, okay, and add more pages that will be matched with your voiceover. I'm gonna click on add like this, and what you will do next, go to the first page here and click on your voiceover that you download, and here you go, your voiceover will be in there, your page like this. You will click on add here. Okay, so what you will do next, you will click here on the first page, and let me check.
Rule number one, create multiple income streams.
Okay, so what I will do, I will click here on elements, and I'm gonna delete this, and I will search for income multiple income stream. I'm gonna search for this keyword related to what the voiceover said in the beginning of the video, and I will click on videos. Okay, and I will add, let me see, I'm gonna add this one. Okay, let me see this one. This one is good, like this one is really good. I'm gonna click on this one and add videos that are matched with the voiceover, what the voiceover is saying in your what the voiceover is saying. Okay, I'm gonna click on this 3 points, scroll down, click on set video as background, make the video just up to, let me show you, just up to 3 seconds like this. Okay, let me see. By the end of the video, we'll get an amazing video, and you will guys check it. We will also add the background music and so much more, okay, to make this video an engaging video that you can go and post on YouTube to get views. Let's check.
Rule number one, create multiple income streams. Self-made.
Okay, I will scroll down and I will I will use this one here, this video. Click on the next page and add new video about, it should be related to what the voiceover said. Okay, I will click on set video as background, and I'm gonna make the video just up to 3 seconds. I will click on the next page and I will go again, and I'm gonna search, this time I will search for millionaires. Okay, search for millionaires and click here on videos. You can find videos that will be matched with your voiceover, like this channel is using. Okay, like this channel, if we go, like you already watch, see this video, see this video showing using videos related to the voiceover. Okay, so let's go back to Canva. It's really super easy. I'm gonna, okay, let me see. I will use this video here. I will click on the video, 3 points, and I will click on set video as background, and I will make the video up to 3 seconds. Next page, I will scroll down and I will see, find videos related to this topic. Okay, I'm gonna click on this one here, scroll down, set video as background. So I will keep using the same method, and by the end of the video I will show you guys how you can add background music and how you can download this video and how you can add transition between those videos to make your video more engaging and so much more. Okay, so I will get back to you. And we just finished the video, guys. So what you will do next, go to the first page and click between those two pages and click on add transition. Okay, so we will add transition between those pages to make them more engaging and professional. So you have different transition here on Canva that you can use. I'm gonna use this one. I like to use this one, match and move. Click on the transition that you want to use, like this. And what you will do next, make the transition up to just 0.3. Scroll down, click on apply between all page, and here you go. Okay, I'm gonna make the video, the first video, a little long, and I will go and I will click here on add, and I'm gonna make this one also long, like this. Okay, and here you go. What you will do next, you need to add background music. Okay, I'm gonna delete this page like this. So I need to add background music. So how you can find background music? It's super easy. Free background music, you just need to go to YouTube. Okay, go to YouTube and search for free background music, no copyright. Okay, search for this keyword and you will find a lot of YouTube channels that upload free background music that you can use without any copyright issue. You just need to check those channels, choose which background music will be matched with your video, and download it to your laptop. You can find a lot of websites on Google that will help you to download this background music. After you finish, just click here, go back to Canva, click on upload, and click on upload file and upload the background music. I already have a lot here, so I'm gonna choose one of those background music. Let me check this one. Okay, I will find, let me see. I'm gonna add this one, for example. So just click on the background music that you want to add, and your background music will be under your voiceover like this. Click here on volume and decrease the volume of your background music just up to 7 or 6. Okay, so what I will do next, the video is done. Click on share, click on download, and click over here on download, and the video will be downloaded into your laptop. Okay, so I will share with you guys my final results by the end of the video, so you can see that you can make like those videos with free tools. You can start your own faceless YouTube channel with no investments. Okay, if you don't want to use voiceover, you guys can go to like Fiverr or Upwork, and you can hire a voiceover for $5 or $10, and he will record your script, and you can start using human voiceovers if you don't like to use AI voiceover. Okay, so I will get back to you to show you the final result. Hey guys, the video is done. Check this out and let me know in the comments what's your opinion, and let me know if you already started a faceless YouTube channel or not, and what's the problem that you are facing. So if you want to see more videos like this, I can make more videos about YouTube and talk more about YouTube, giving you tips, secrets, and how you can scale your YouTube channel. Anyway, let's check this video.
Rule number 1, create multiple income streams. Self made millionaires know that relying on just one source of income is risky. They invest in stocks, real estate, businesses, and even side hustles. For example, Warren Buffett started with a paper route, but later expanded into investments, creating multiple income streams that made him a billionaire. The second rule is all about self-investment. Millionaires are lifelong learners. They read books, attend seminars, and surround themselves with mentors who challenge them to grow.
And here you go. You guys can see. It's a really an amazing video. I just made this video using free AI tools. I can make it even better. If I give it time, I can make it better because I can add more translation, add titles, sound effects, and so much more to make it more engaging to get more views. You see this? It's super easy. We just made a video like this one. Let me show you. We just made a video about rules self-made millionaires swear by, like this one, okay? It's super easy. This channel is making so much money. This channel is getting over 3 million views per month, making so much money. You guys can see the uploading those videos. It doesn't require to show your face or using your voice, and that's it. It's super easy. If you are interested to start faceless YouTube channel, you can start with this niche. It's already working. This channel is monetized. You have everything. You have everything to start. If you watch this video, you can go and start your own faceless YouTube channel. And for people who are asking, do you have any coaching services about this niche, about YouTube automation business? Yes, I do have. If you are interested, you can reach out to me in my email address, and I can help you to start a profitable YouTube channel, choosing a profitable niche, how we can make the videos, how we can hire a team, and so much more. Okay, I have been doing this business for over 5 years. I have multiple faceless YouTube channels that's making me a lot of money every single month and a lot of profit. If you are interested, feel free to reach out. And if this video is helpful for you, please like this video, subscribe to this channel if you want to see more videos like this, more profitable niches, and see you in my next videos.